Welcome. Today, we will guide you on how to send a video with text on Facebook Chat on your PC with the latest updates. Let's dive into the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening facebook.com on your web browser. Simply type the URL in the address bar and hit Enter to access Facebook. Step 2. Click on the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of the Facebook page. This will open the Messenger interface for you to use. Step 3. Open any group on Facebook that you want to send the video with text in. Click on the group to enter the conversation. Step 4. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window, next to the text box. If you do not see these options, click on the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal more options. Step 5. Choose the video you wish to send by clicking on it. Then, click on the Open button to attach the video to your message. Step 6. Write the note or message you want to accompany the video. Once you've written your message, click on the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a video with text on Facebook Chat on PC.